Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ 5028NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're here, it's likely that your laptop screen is cracked. This can happen due to accidental drops, pressure, or even temperature changes that weaken the display. If left unfixed, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, affecting the laptop's functionality and possibly resulting in more costly repairs. To begin the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and the replacement screen specifically for the HP 15 SFQ 5028NS. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, flip it over and remove the battery if possible. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back cover, taking care to keep track of the screws. Once the cover is off, locate the screen assembly. Be gentle as you work to avoid damaging any internal components. Next, you will need to disconnect the screen cables. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry out the connector, ensuring not to apply too much force, as this could damage the motherboard. After disconnecting the cables, use the suction cup to lift the cracked screen gently. It may require a bit of finesse to detach it from the hinges. Once the old screen is removed, take the new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure the screen in place and reconnect the cables carefully, making sure they sit snugly. When reassembling, pay attention to the type of screws you are using. The smaller screws should go in the corners, while the larger ones can be used for the center. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once all screws are in place, replace the back cover and reinsert the battery. Power on your device to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector for your laptop. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of your device and be mindful of where you are using it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.